Hello Illyrian Shepherd viewers. Today I'm gonna show how this puppy is eating the alpha male's food. He's very brave dog. The alpha is filled up. This is why he doesn't care if others eat. This is a normal behavior on alpha dogs. If they are filled up, they will not show aggression on their food, because this is their job to share food with other members of the dog pack. And this almost 3 months puppy is eating some pig head. It looks very disgusting, but it's very delicious and very good nutrition food for the dogs. The alpha male got this pig head last night, but he only ate the chicks. The one chicken, not too much. He's not hungry. He's just enjoying the sun and this cold weather. It's now 1 or 2 degrees Celsius, but at nights it goes below 10 degrees Celsius. Look, the mountains are covered in snow, and here we have only ice. The dog's water was full of ice, but I got him some fresh water from the city, because the lines up here in the mountains are all frozen up. Hadi, hadi Bucci. They're not showing a lot of interest in this big head because they're not hungry. Do we feed good our dogs or no? You have skin, fat, red meat, all the things, and bones also, but they don't eat the head bones. No matter if it's a cow or pig, they're very strong. They're not hungry dogs. This is why they don't show interest in bones. They're not showing interest in meat also. Normal day here. And here are some beer cans that I like to drink when I come here and enjoy the view when I'm feeding the dogs. Come, Pucci, come, Pucci. Come, Pucci. Come. The big dog doesn't want to play with the puppy. Come, Pucci. But at least he's not showing aggression towards him. Hadi Pucci, hadi Pucci, hadi Pucci, hadi Pucci, hadi. What do you think about this puppy? He's almost 3 months. 2.5 exactly. He has a very good structure and bones. He will be very good guard dog. The giant is standing up. Look how huge this dog is. He's 78 to 80 centimeters at this spot. But the structure of bones is it's amazing. He's very thick on the chest and on the feet. Also the paws are huge. One of the best exemplars of these breeds. Hadi du. Hadi. He loves to be pet, but I'm not with the working clothes. He's recovering very well. Hadi Lucky. Hadi bugün. Bugün. Hadi bugün. Come bugün. Come bugün. Hey. Come. Hey. This is a very good dog. He's sharing water and food with a puppy, male puppy. And now he decided to maybe eat some. Hey! Hey! I don't want him to scare him, because it will not be good for a puppy to get a disciplined reaction from this huge dog. He's licking the head. You should bite him, stupid. Neither he doesn't like it or he's filled up, because he ate too much last night. Hadi,